In this pandemic COVID-19 outbreak, we are learning and assessing what's all going around. Pre-COVID era, post-COVID era. COVID-19 marks standstill economy. So what all surroundings development took place? The digital transformation the country have witnessed. Introduction of few hand control. So today we will analyze this oligopoly, few hand control. So warmly welcome you in this session.
Is called market. So we have the connectivity with the help of information technology, with the help of communication. We have the automobiles to get the distance connectivity. We have technology. We have marked each of them in presence of our life. So these are the best example of oligopoly competition, which says that few firms have established their name and delivering the number of customers satisfaction. This is oligopoly. Oligopoly marks the dominance of few firms. Among them, there is vast competition to conquer the market, but they are interdependent on each other. Profit maximization and price controlling factor plays the prominent role by having the market strategy with the development of best expenditure at a low cost with advertisement to influence the customer. Every market share and they have a tactic to control the behavior pattern of the customer. They attract them. They have to conquer them. They forms cartel. There is complete behavior of few firms which dominate the market. This marks you with oligopoly. The buyers are far greater. Buyers का number बहुत large है, but sellers are few, and they have the complete dominance on price, market, and size of their share in the trade and business. They compete with each other, or either they collaborate with each other. They influence to set the price with their market strategy, and their which market strategy prominent player is profit maximization. Consumer became the price taker because the few firms control the market and price. They have a vast influence, and automobile industry, steel industry, your telecommunication industry is best example to mark oligopoly. Oligopoly means to say कि आपकी कुछ firms हैं और वही सारी कस्टमर्स को सेटिस्फैक्शन दे रही हैं. उनमें आपस में कंपटीशन है ताकि उनका प्रॉफिट और मार्केट साइज राइज कर जाए. दे इन्फ्लुएंस द मार्केट कि नया प्राइस सेट कर सके. सो कस्टमर डू नॉट इन्फ्लुएंस द मार्केट, दे आर प्राइस टेकर, एंड फर्म इज प्राइस मेकर एज दे हैव द डोमिनेंस इन द साइज of their market share. Missing the example of oligopoly. Few sellers with large number of buyers means that the market is flooded with mirage of the market, and they have the vast demand. So technological industry, your media industry, automobile industry, your pharma sector marks the presence of oligopoly. Because the dominance of few firms have established their name, they have emerged as brand, and they have a psychological effect in the brain set of the customer, and this marks them with a marketing move and strategy. Their advertisement have the complete dominance in the psychological factor of the customer. They have complete accessibility with their policies to the firm and customer. So oligopoly marks these features which says that a few major sellers are there. It is imperfect competition because few sellers and large number of buyers are there. Non-price competition is very common because you mark a non-price competition, marketing strategy, advertisement, promotional tool, your customer loyalty, your brand value works over here. So price do not have any accessibility in competition. Free entry and exit is there, but with certain barriers. And firms sell identical or differentiated products. They can mark you with the same, or bit of difference in product like taste as per the taste and consumer behavior. Few firms, because they have few firms which are more than monopoly and less than the monopolistic. They have the feature of mix match by saying 3 to 5 dominating firms are found in oligopoly. They have very powerful influence in total and sale output in market. They marks with licensing, patents and control over the raw material as they are the prominent few firms selling. Even when we are talking about oligopoly, so how the petroleum sector can be missed out because it has the immense presence of oligopoly, because ONGC, Oil India Limited, your Reliance Industry Limited, ISAR marks their dominance over there. All the policy factors and marketing strategy paves the path according to them in petroleum sector. They are the one who pursued this business as the most expanding zone of non-renewable resources. Interdependence. Oligopoly is typically composed of large firms. They have proper 4 to 5 dominating firms. Their action decides the market condition. They compete to each other. They have the proper accessibility of each other marketing strategy. They keep on competing with each other in the policy of making promotional tools for attracting customer. They conquer each other market by having the market research about the customer and competitor as well. So they respond as per the action of the rival. So there is complementing a reaction of the market came in and brought into consideration. And each one firm compete with each other with a counter move. एक दूसरे से आगे निकलने की होड़ रहती है इस मार्केट में. They marks you with example of car industry, airlines industry, cigarette, steel industry, telecommunication. एक दूसरे के प्रमोशन टूल को यूज करते हुए एक काउंटर मूव जनरेट करना इस इंडस्ट्री की सबसे बड़ी पहचान है. इस इंडस्ट्री में नॉन प्राइस कंपटीशन हमेशा आइडेंटिटी रही है. Why it is so? Because this attracts the market price influence. They avoid price war. इन्हें एक दूसरे से प्राइस की टक्कर नहीं करनी, क्योंकि अगर एक प्राइस जनरेट करेगा उसका हायर प्रॉफिट होगा तो प्राइस ऑटोमेटिकली आपको राइज होने के बाद अदर फर्म उसे फॉलो नहीं करेगी, तो आपका कस्टमर शिफ्ट होने का डर होता है. So this leading price and revenue war always goes on with the help of the marginal earning and generation of revenue, but oligopoly always set the price and profit with a large quantity of output, therefore they can lower down the prices. Cost competitiveness, marketing strategy, your brand promotion, your promotional tool, market research, everything comes over here in order to increase the market share and profit maximization as the identity. Automobiles industry marks the presence and dominance. They have few names and each name cater one section of society. Each one brand model and new introduction came as per the customer taste. So each market has the customer and their market share as per that customer. Automobile industry हर मिडिल क्लास, अपर मिडिल क्लास, योर लग्जूरियस कार की रेंज से इसमें चीजों को सेल आउट करती है. तो in order to have a customer. Under oligopoly, there is another feature which talk about interdependence or group behavior. They have interdependence on each other. Price and output decisions of particular firm influenced by the another competitive firm. एक दूसरे के हिसाब से चलते हैं, काउंटर मूव्स बनाते हुए, ताकि जो मार्केट का शेयर है इनका डिक्रीज ना हो. और ग्रुप डिस्कशन होता है ताकि हर फर्म का प्रोटेक्ट हो जाए उसका इंटरेस्ट, प्रॉफिट मैक्सिमाइजेशन हर फर्म की प्रोटेक्ट हो जाए. दे समटाइम्स फॉर्म कार्टेल एज वेल. दे हैव द टेक्टिक्स of conquering market and having the very strong bond in control of each firm interest. So group behavior means that they tend to move as per the one and they have a cost competitiveness with profit. Now the selling cost is important in oligopoly as a feature. Because sales, promotion, market research, your promotional tool, advertisement, marketing strategy. Avoid price war. So the war of price is in no consideration. It is just your conquering value of creating potential service for your customer and get its brand value, get your establishment of goodwill, reputation, and that marketing, then advertisement to bring the customer, then customer loyalty construction, continuous service, which all included in selling cost, and the delivery of them enhances the customer satisfaction, and which later built up your market share and expansion. So now the telecommunication industry also acknowledged over here, and it is marks the presence of successful private sector, and your still public sector is struggling in it. There is complete dominance of telecommunication. King demand curve. This is one demand curve which marks you one word, behavior of various firm. हर फर्म का अपना एक बिहेवियर है, और ओलिगोपॉली में एक डिमांड कर्व कंस्ट्रक्ट करना बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट कर देता है, बिकॉज वी कुडंट प्रिडिक्ट where the customer and what is the connectivity of the behavior of various firm. So every firm is struggling to protect their market share. They have marginal resources of earning, different elasticity for higher and lower price of demand, customer competitor moves, strategic planning, price cut down, increase, dominating influence with profit always being addressed in this industry. Price quantity relationship, as in the demand sector, always plays the key role, but fail in oligopoly or lagged behind in the feature of oligopoly, as there is known price competition. Every point marked by the strategy counter move of few firm dominance. They have the control over the firm market share. Then marginal earning factor plays the role, marginal cost, because cost competitiveness is also there to bring out the profit maximization out of the retaining your market size. So kick demand curve always gives the price setting power, which may have the rivals effect, matching the price rise and fall as per the rival. There is one price, little point in changing, because counter moves, rigidity and stability of price cost change effect increases the importance of attachment of price competition, marketing policy, promotional tool, competitiveness among the policies, interdependence. The prominent player is advertisement and market research. So oligopoly marks the demand curve kinked. As I have given you various example, but I marks one visit of yours to automobile industry, assembling and manufacturing of the parts, marks you with presence of oligopoly in it. Automobile sector, industrial, technological and telecommunication sector, petrochemical, petroleum sector marks the immense presence of oligopoly, which talked about the firm few dominating the industry with number of buyers with complete client satisfaction, non price competition, market research to conquer business trade, and customer building with quality service. So these are the features of oligopoly. So hereby saying thank you for visiting.